Dino Works Triceratops. Some of the benefits of the toy include develop hand-eye coordination, along with fine and gross motor skills, foster repetitive puzzle play in 3D, and develop tactile thinking skills. The toy includes 8 dino parts, 10 screws, 1 manual screwdriver for ages 3 years old on up. Includes wheels under the feet for rolling across smooth surfaces. Do you want more? We do offer a Dino Works T-Rex as well. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to come back. Bye-bye.
Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and pages.